ETH is sitting at that exact spot right now. Trendline break, Fibonacci confluence, horizontal support. 3 things. Same level, same time. You don't want to miss this. Quick reminder before we dive in. Nothing here is financial advice. Educational only. Manage your risk. Do your own research. Alright, let's get into it. Today it's one coin, one focus, Ethereum. On the 1 hour chart, ETH just did something important. It broke above the descending trend line, but it didn't instantly rip higher. It came back down. It retested. And here's the thing. This retest is not a random level. Look at what's sitting right here. A key Fibonacci area, horizontal support, and the trend line itself. 3 layers, same zone at the same time. You don't see this lineup often. That's exactly why this area matters. So let's talk about what actually matters from here. Bullish scenario. If ETH can hold this retest zone and start printing higher lows, the next move is back toward the prior highs and into the resistance band above. Caution/invalidation. If we start getting closest back below this level, the breakout becomes a fake out and we likely rotate back down into the lower range. That's the whole game right now. Hold or fail. Simple as that. Watch this level closely. The chart looks clean. But what's happening underneath? Let's check the derivatives. Open interest is still sitting around the $10.6 billion area. Leverage is in the system. Keep that in mind. Long/short ratio, roughly 69% longs versus 31% shorts. Sentiment is leaning bullish. And here's the good news. Funding is not overheated right now. This doesn't look like the crowded, euphoric top conditions we saw during the spike. That said, leverage is still there, so I'm still trading this with confirmation. No chasing, no guessing. Here's the full picture. ETH broke the descending trend line, came back to retest, and that retest lines up with Fibonacci plus horizontal support, making it a high confluence zone. Hold arrow continuation is on the table. Fail arrow fake out, rotate lower. One question, hold or fail? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see what the community thinks. If this kind of analysis is useful to you, make sure you're subscribed and notifications are on. I break down setups like this regularly and you don't want to miss the follow-up. Stay safe out there, manage your risk. I'll see you in the next one.